Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to get back deleted list in Trello. So first thing which we'll do is of course go to your Trello and now go to one of your boards, and after that guys just simply go ahead and select one of your list. So I'm going to show you how to remove a list first. Just simply select the three dots over here and you should be able to see here archive this list. And now as you can see, when you deleted a list, in order for you to get back deleted list in Trello, just simply select the three dots over here on the top right corner of the screen. From here guys, just simply go for the archive items. And now from here, you should be able to see here the archive items on your board, and just simply select switch to lists over here, and you should be able to see your list, and you can just simply send it to a board over here. And as you can see, we should be able to get back our deleted list. And remember guys, when you click on delete over here, as you can see, when you delete this one, activity in this list will be permanently deleted and you won't be able to reopen this list because there is no undo. So when you click on delete over here on the archive items, you cannot undo it anymore. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.